Hi guys, welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to prepare this amazing shrimp fried rice. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's Callie Kitchen _1, and also on Facebook it's Callie J's Kitchen. So here I have my shrimp and it's already cleaned and washed. So basically what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and start seasoning my shrimp. I went in and add some of my garlic salt, and try not to add too much of that garlic salt because it's very salty. And then I'm gonna go in and add some of my all-purpose seasoning. I will also go in and add some paprika. I will also add some black pepper, and of course I'm gonna add some of my garlic powder. Once I add all of that seasoning, just combine everything together because you want to ensure that your shrimp is nicely seasoned, and then I'm going to put it to the side for roughly about 5 to 6 minutes. My rice is already cooked, and my rice is basically 2 days old rice, but you guys can always go ahead and cook your rice in the morning if you're going to prepare your fried rice in the afternoon. I also went ahead already and cooked my mixed vegetable, and I will not be adding any egg to my fried rice. However, if you guys have fresh vegetables such as the corn, the carrot, and the string bean that you want to use, you can always go ahead and use it. Or if you just want to buy the mixed vegetable, in the supermarket, you can always go ahead and use that option also. I will also go ahead and chop up some of my onion and of course my bell pepper and my scallion. All of these items that I'm using today, you can get it at your local supermarket or grocery shop. Remember to be creative, remember to be you in the kitchen, and most of all, utilize whatever you have at home. You can visit your local meat shop, and of course, you'll get shrimp there as well. You can always go ahead and prepare this amazing shrimp fried rice, for your families, for your friends. If you're having a party, you can always go ahead and prepare it, and trust me, your family will enjoy it. Also, if you guys have the other colors bell pepper, such as the red, the orange, and the yellow, you can always go ahead and use it. However, if you don't have it but you only have the green, you can always go ahead and work with what you have. As I always say to you guys, you just have to be creative and you just have to be you in the kitchen. So this is the pot that I'm going to prepare my fried rice in. I went ahead and put some oil in it, and then we're just going to go ahead and cook our shrimp. Now, as I said, I will not be adding any egg to my fried rice, but if you guys want to add some scrambled eggs, you can always go ahead and do so. And remember to check the description box for all of the ingredients that I'm using today. I turned my stove on medium heat, and we're just going to cook the shrimp on both sides for roughly about 5 to 6 minutes. Remember, shrimp doesn't take long to cook, and you don't want to overcook your shrimp because you don't want it to be too rubbery. So once one side of the shrimp is cooked nicely, you just go ahead and flip it over on the other side and allow the other side to cook as well. Remember not to turn up your stove on high heat. Medium heat is perfect. So once your shrimp is cooking, you can always go ahead and use a fork to just get rid of any lumps in your rice, because you know sometimes when you cook your rice, it tends to have lumps. You can always go ahead and use your fork to just get rid of any lumps that you don't want in your rice. So now that my shrimp is all cooked, we're just going to go ahead and remove them and place them on this plate until we are ready for our shrimp. And as you can see, my shrimp is looking all nice. So basically, this is the pot that we're going to prepare the fried rice in. So we're just going to go ahead and add the onion and the bell pepper and the scallion that I cut up earlier. And I also add a few pieces of Scotch bonnet pepper just to bring out that flavor in my fried rice. Now I'm gonna go in and add my mixed vegetable, and as I said, if you guys don't want to use the mixed vegetable in the can, you can always go ahead and opt to use your own vegetable, your own carrot, your own mixed corn, and your own string beans or sweet beans, whatever you have. You can always go ahead and use it. And combine everything together nicely and give that roughly about 2 or so minutes before you add the rice. Now we're going to go in and add the rice. And while you're adding the rice, you just want to combine everything together nicely, because you want to ensure that all of your ingredients is nicely combined and evenly distributed. And try to get rid of any lumps in your rice. So you can always opt to use a fork, or you can just use your wooden spoon, and that will help you to get rid of the lumps. Now we are going to go in and add our soya sauce. Now, just a note, you guys don't have to add a large amount of soya sauce at once. You can add a small amount, and then it's up to you the color of your fried rice that you want to achieve. So some persons like their fried rice a little bit darker than some, and you can always go ahead and just pour out small amount at first, and then you go in and add some more if you don't like the color that you just got. So as you can see, once I add my soya sauce, I went in and just combined everything together nicely, and you want to ensure that the rice is nicely coated and it gets that nice color from the soya sauce. And remember to turn your stove on medium heat. Don't turn it up high. So once you add the soya sauce, you just combine everything together nicely. All right? And try to get rid of the lumps, as I said. As you can see, there's still a few lumps in my rice. So I'm just using my wooden spoon to get rid of that. And the color of my fried rice is coming along quite nice. I like the color so far. I want it a little bit darker, so I'm going to add some more of my soya sauce. And basically this is it, looking all lovely and nice. So for me, I like to just turn off my stove and leave my fried rice there once I add the shrimp. Just leave it there for roughly about 2 or so minutes. And then I like to serve it up after. Now you can always go ahead and add some fresh parsley flakes, or you can just go ahead and serve it up as it is with your shrimp. And basically your family will love it. So we're going to go in now and add our shrimp and just combine that together nicely. And basically, guys, this is it. So as I said, I like to leave mine there for roughly about 5 or so minutes. Just turn off the stove and just leave it there and just allow it to just do its thing, and then I serve it up. So I'm going to show you guys the final product in a few minutes. So stay tuned for all of that. And remember to tell me what you think about this amazing fried rice. So here it is, guys, the final product of my amazing shrimp fried rice. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and remember to turn on your post notification bell. Share with your families, share with your friends, share with your co-workers, and tell them about Callie J's Kitchen. We're almost there. We are almost at 8K subscribers. And see you guys tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye.